kids have YumYum eating. We have another surprise today. I cannot wait to open it. Could you guys wait?
No. Never. Open.
Let's open it.
Wow!
What is it, guys?
It's a T-Rex. Oh my goodness, this is so cute.
This is
Oh, it's okay if you got that.
It's okay.
You guys like it?
I love it. It's so cute.
I like.
It's a T-Rex. Oh, this is bread?
No, it's okay, guys. So we have whole wheat cheese quesadilla,
Apple.
grapes and carrots for the tree, and we use 1 raisin for the eye and 1 edible eye. But everything's nice and healthy and fun for the kids. What do you guys think about the T-Rex? Is it up, down, thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
All right, enjoy, guys.
He's biting. Word. Oh, that is so cool. Gums.
Ooh, Denny got his tail.
Oh. Hurt. Chomp, chomp, chomp.
What do you think about the dinosaur, D4?
Chomp, chomp, chomp.
You gonna eat his feet?
Ah, no, 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 no.
This is so fun, guys, for the kids. Not only it's fun when they look at it, they eat up all their food and they're just interested the whole
A
way
baby
through.
tail.
Yummy. Oh, he needs another tail.
Uh-oh, she got the arm. Give Ding a foot. Eat a foot, D.
Ha
The
There's
dinosaur
no
foot.
arm. No, there's no arm.
Come here.
What was the coolest part about this for you, D3?
The tail.
The tail. What about you, Camille?
And the big top.
Chewing, chewing, chewing.
Good, good, good. Shoo, shoo, shoo.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Have a kissing ball. Bye. Please not
The favorite part, I love the teeth.
The teeth was cool, huh?
Bye.
It doesn't fly.
He said nothing about no fly. So no fly every time he posts a new video. Bye.
Bye-bye, foot.
Bye bye, Sashos.
Bye-bye, T-Rex. Oh, she got the body now. Uh-oh, the head's only left.
The T-Rex is gone.
Uh-oh, give a piece to D4.
Just, Here you go. Here's the body.
Bye. Please like and subscribe.